What is up, y'all? My name is Randy Silver. This is The Leap of Faith. Today I'm going to be showing you the Cross Border Xpress. I am so excited because I've never used this before and I've always wanted to try it. It's literally a bridge that takes you across from the American side into the Tijuana Airport. You get off, you do your TSA pre-check in the building in the American side. Once you're through, literally a bridge takes you in the Tijuana Airport and lets you just go whatever flight you want. Why would you do that? It's so much cheaper to fly to Tijuana than flying out of San Diego, especially if you're going to where I'm going, Cancun. Anywhere in South America, Central America, is cheaper flights. I don't have to worry about crossing the border in a car, walking. You literally go to this building, the Cross Border Xpress, you do what you need to do, and then you get yourself into the airport. So we're gonna live the life for me. We're gonna do it together, have a lot of fun. The cross-border experience is super easy. It was really cheap too. So let's take you through it. Let's go. Before you go, of course, wear your mask. You gotta be safe. Got my stuff, got my ish. Uber's here. Let's go hit it. Okay, y'all, I know this is a bit different than a vlog video, but I actually screen recorded what you need to do to make your life easier. So if you're watching this and you're about to do CBX, you're welcome. This is going to change your life and make it so much easier for you. Go to the website. You can see it right there. You can do everything you need to do. You can buy your CBX ticket. You can look up all the information that you need to bring with you, that you need to have with you. If you're driving there, you can reserve a parking spot. As you just saw, I took an Uber there, so no big deal. Let's show you what it looks like to buy a ticket. $32 round trip. So easy. My flight from Tijuana to Cancun and back was $250 total. My flight from San Diego to Cancun would have been $500, $600 total, and it wouldn't have been direct. So this was so much cheaper, and it was so much easier as well. Didn't have to deal with customs when I got to Cancun. I already done it through this experience, which you'll see it was super easy, very, very efficient. Again, showing you the information you need, your passport, of course, your CBX ticket, have your airplane ticket, of course. If you need to fill out a questionnaire for COVID things, if you need to fill out a questionnaire for custom relations, you can do everything right here. As I'm quickly showing you, you can fill out the forms on this website. Again, because I did everything on the website, I literally bypassed all the lines. My flight was at 11:50 p.m. I got there at like 10. I was at my terminal by 10:30. Super easy. Fill your information, have everything you need to go, and you'll be able to just move forward with your day once you get there. For anyone doing a South America trip, anyone doing a Caribbean trip, anyone doing anything in Mexico, Central America, I highly, highly recommend that if you're coming from the San Diego area. Right here, I'll play this part again as well. This is showing you if you're coming into the USA from Mexico, what do you need? Very easy. We'll go through all of it very quickly in the back half of this video. Now let's go through the video and show you how it's done. So once you arrive, if you haven't checked in yet, you can go ahead and check in right here inside their terminal. This is showing you everything that you need to see once you get here. This is the customs area where you can fill out your registration form if you don't have it. Very straightforward. Again, because I did everything online, I had everything I needed to go, so I could just go right through. No line, as you can see here. I gave my information to the guy. What do you need to check in? Everything that you see on the screen right here. CBX again gives you emails, gives you everything that you want, just trying to make it very apparent so you know what you need, how you need it, and making it that much easier. So now I went through, boom, now we're on our way to the Tijuana Airport. This is us leaving the US side, going through. This is the whole custom area. As you can imagine, when it's probably a very busy season, less COVID restrictions, this can be very, very crowded. This is pretty much the bridge that crosses you over into Mexico. So you're going over, you're probably doing this for maybe like a quarter of a mile of a walk type of thing. And then the signs change from USA to Mexico. And that's how you know that you're in here. You can see it says Terminal TJ, Tijuana. Super fun. Again, just going through, fast forwarding it for y'all so you can see how quick it is. Very, very straightforward. And now we get to the custom immigration part. This is like any other thing. If you've ever left the country, gone through different countries, same type of thing. Got your queues. They're going to ask you the types of questions. where are you going, how long are you going for, what are you bringing with you. It makes it very straightforward. Then you're going to go through the same type of check where you're going to see your bags, make sure everything's squared away. I wasn't supposed to take videos here. I got through. Look at me. Your boy is slick. So this is some sneak peek stuff that most people probably don't have in their videos on YouTube. I was able to be a little bit sly and get it. Go through the customs. You got everything you need. And then they'll take you to, hey, do you need to go into Mexico? Or, as I did, you go to the airport. And boom. Now you're in the airport. This is the Tijuana Airport. Literally drops you right into it. So easy. So straightforward. And I go to my gate. It's time to take the flight. Loved it. And now let's take you from the Cross Border Express, Mexico, into the USA. So now we're going to do the same thing but opposite. Of course, you land at the Tijuana Airport. You will see signs that say Cross Border Express. Very straightforward. If you don't have that round trip ticket like I did, that's my homie Alexio. You can just get your ticket right there next to where the boarding will be in the terminal area. Very straightforward. You'll see all the signs. You'll go to the CBX area. And this is where you're going to check in. Make sure you have your boarding pass. Make sure you have your ticket for your flight. And make sure you have your ticket for the Cross Border Express. They'll ask for all three. They'll say, hey, you're good to go. You look squared away. You'll come to this area where we started out with when you first came in through, where the customs area on the right. You can either stay in Mexico if you want or go to the USA. As a USA citizen trying to go back to my house, I was ready to go home and get some shut-eye, of course. So now Alexio and I are walking from the USA and Mexico border into the USA. This is the USA custom area. We got in at like 1 a.m. at night, so pretty empty. Could be super full. Go through, ask you the same types of custom questions. Make sure you have all your papers, your documents. You go through, and then you're good to go. Once you go through the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, you're now in the USA. You're back at the CBX entrance. This is where you just started the video, and now we're here, and that was it. That is the CBX for y'all. It's super easy, super fun. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please subscribe for more videos. Enjoy traveling through the Cross Border Express. Deuces.